Hey there, fellow VR enthusiasts. Are you looking to speed up your VR routine and make the most out of your virtual experiences? Well, you're in the right place. I've got 5 awesome tips to help you do just that. First up, make sure to optimize your VR settings to ensure a smooth and lag-free experience. Adjust your graphics settings, refresh rate, and resolution for optimal performance. Next, consider investing in a high-quality VR headset with advanced tracking technology. This will not only enhance your immersion but also improve the overall speed and responsiveness of your VR routine. By following these tips, you'll be able to speed up your VR routine and take your virtual experiences to the next level. So go ahead, dive into the virtual world and enjoy the ride. Uplifting ending sentence. Happy VR gaming, and remember, the possibilities are endless in the world of virtual reality. Hey everyone! Have you ever wondered what the key is to transforming neural networks with discipline? Well, today we're going to explore what works best in this fascinating journey towards personal growth and development. First and foremost, consistency is key. By engaging in daily practices such as meditation, journaling, or exercise, we can strengthen our neural pathways and cultivate healthier habits. This regular commitment to self-improvement is crucial in rewiring our brains for success. Next, setting clear goals and holding ourselves accountable is essential. When we establish a clear vision of what we want to achieve and take actionable steps towards it, we are actively shaping our neural networks to align with our aspirations. Remember, transforming neural networks with discipline is a gradual process that requires dedication and patience. By incorporating these strategies into our daily routines, we can unlock our full potential and lead a more fulfilling life. So, let's embrace the power of discipline and watch our neural networks thrive. Uplifting ending sentence. Let's keep pushing forward and rewiring our brains for success. You've got this.
Hey there! Are you ready to boost your confidence in 3D printing? Let's dive into some mindset tips to help you feel more comfortable and empowered in your printing journey. First things first, remember that it's okay to make mistakes. 3D printing can be a complex process, and it's normal to encounter challenges along the way. Embrace these setbacks as learning opportunities and don't be afraid to try new things. Now, let's talk about the power of perseverance. When faced with a difficult print or a failed attempt, don't give up. Stay determined and keep pushing forward. Remember, every successful print starts with a few failed attempts. By adopting a positive mindset and embracing the learning process, you'll soon find yourself feeling more confident in your 3D printing skills. So go ahead, experiment, learn, and most importantly, believe in yourself. You've got this. Uplifting ending sentence. Keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible with 3D printing and watch your confidence soar. Happy printing!
Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to talk about the 5 reasons why blockchain is revolutionizing the way we focus. Firstly, blockchain technology provides transparency and security. Each transaction is recorded on a decentralized ledger, making it nearly impossible to alter or hack. This means that we can trust the information stored on the blockchain without the need for intermediaries. Secondly, blockchain promotes efficiency and speed. With smart contracts, agreements can be executed automatically once predefined conditions are met. This eliminates the need for manual oversight and speeds up processes significantly. In conclusion, blockchain is revolutionizing the way we focus by offering transparency, security, efficiency, and speed. It's changing the game for industries like finance, healthcare, and supply chain management. So, if you want to stay ahead in this digital age, it's time to pay attention to blockchain technology.